What's up, Geeksters? It's me, Omar from Geekster Labs, and today we're going to be checking out a product that was sent to me free for review from the Mod Projects. And this is a super nice, high-end Apple Watch accessory. So I have two products I'm going to be showing you guys today. One is the titanium band, and the other is the stainless steel case and band for the Apple Watch Ultra. So as you can see, really nice, high-quality case that this comes in. Just like almost as if you're getting like a Rolex or a really high-end timepiece. And so there is the watch case itself. Super sharp, super nice. It comes with all the tools you need to actually do the install of putting this case on your phone, or not on your phone, your Apple Watch. But let's go ahead and take a closer look of it. Alright, so here we have the case itself. And so this is made from 316L high-quality stainless steel. And it actually has some good weight to it too. It's about 160 grams, so it has nice weight, and it really looks like a luxurious timepiece, if you will. So this does, and keep in mind, I have an Apple Watch Ultra and it's black. So if you are looking for maybe something to kind of lighten up your watch, if you want to get dressed up and have it look a little more nice, executive type of look, but you don't want the black, this is actually a black Apple Watch inside here, so it completely blocks it off. You can't even tell it at all. But as you can see in the back here, we have some really nice links. It just looks super high quality, guys. Very, very sharp, very, very nice. Looks really good with a suit, dress shirt. So as you notice here, we do have everything's covered up and blocked off, but the buttons do work straight through, so you can still feel the click through the side right here. Even on this side right here, we still have the button for that on there right there. You can still feel that. That does work. And we even have the little slots here, so the speaker, you can still hear the speaker through the case itself. And then we do have the button to get to the menu, and then this does continue to work, so it allows you to scroll through it. So everything works very seamlessly, even though it's inside of this big case. And let me show you the bottom too as well. Obviously, one of the most important parts of the Apple Watch is the sensor on the bottom for all the heart rate and all that kind of stuff. And so that's not blocked off, it's not covered up. Everything is still very accessible, and it can still get the readings it needs to get even while it's inside the case. I will say the one thing to keep in mind when it comes to this product is this is not really an Apple Watch case that you would put or you would be using if you're the type of person that likes to swap bands or swap cases regularly, because it takes a couple steps. It takes a few minutes to actually take the Apple Watch out of here and to put it in there. And so it does have 4 screws in the different 4 corners, so you do have to use the included screwdriver that comes with it to remove those screws, to take it out of the case, and to pop it into whatever band or anything else that you want to use it with. So it's not like a quick and easy, super fast setup. It's something that does take a few minutes to do that. So for me personally, I want to have a watch band I could use, or be able to get a watch band off of here, so if I want to go work out and get sweaty with it, or go in the water, or take it to the river, or go swimming or whatever, that I could be able to do that, switch it out. So if you guys are the type of people that aren't super active and don't use your watch for active things, but you do want to have it looking really good and really sharp, like in a suit or dressed up or just looking executive, well, then this would be a perfect solution for you guys to have it in something like this, because like I said, it's not something you're going to be swapping out very frequently. If that is the kind of situation that you have and that you want to be doing that regularly and swapping cases out, well, then that's what the next band I want to show you from the Mod Project would come into play. So let's check out their titanium band. Alright, so here's the Titanium Series Jubilee Strap. This one retails for about $114. This one's made from premium grade titanium, so it's super lightweight, feels super smooth, has a nice texture on it, and it just looks really sharp on the Apple Watch Ultra. So it does also feature like a dual type of a clasp on the back here. Very nice, but man, this thing looks super sharp. It's really high quality. It's very, very light, very, very smooth texture, but it looks really good. A nice executive look with no casing on the Apple Watch Ultra, and it matches the black titanium Apple Watch Ultra perfectly. And it looks really sharp and really nice. And so this one also does include the tool, so if you need to adjust it and take any pins out, you could do that. And yeah, it just adds a very nice look. So if you guys are the type of person that maybe you like to use a silicone case, or a silicone band I should say, with your Apple Watch Ultra when you're doing active things, working out, going outside, going to the beach, going to the river, whatever, but then you want to dress it up and look nice when you're in a suit or when you're going to work, then maybe the Titanium Series Jubilee strap would be the one for you. So these are both available on the Mod Project's website. I'll have links down below in the description to make that really easy for you guys to find if you're interested in purchasing either of these on their website. So that's it for me today, guys. If you have any questions, post them down below in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video review.